Here's a rather large sable, and we just left the squirrels in the window by the pond a second ago, but this caught my eye. I don't know, Bermudana maybe, or Causiarum. It's a massive, and there's another, I suspect this is the same thing, and perhaps this as well. It has kind of a glaucous-y stem, but I don't know what kind of, there's some ligules coming off the base of the petioles there. So anyway, some kind of big fat Caribbean sable. So let's just, we'll keep you on for a second here. And this is sort of a trail, demi-trail, leading to Pinewood Estate. Okay, so this will take us a little further west, and a nice patch of cool, shady grass to rest at. Nice, beautiful cycad there. Is that a king sago, cycas? I can't remember the. Oh, here, good. Sign's gonna rescue me. Encephalardus gratus. Okay. We'll stop there. And we're in the midst of the Pinewood Estate, and these tree ferns are very lovely, so I wanted to include those. And then I'll get back in behind me now in front of me, to a shot of the part of the Pinewood house. And tours start in a little bit. It's shy of 11 a.m. and they start. So I might come back here this afternoon after I have lunch with my friends and go through there. I don't know if I'm allowed to film in there, but we'll see. That could be a whole nother set of videos. So anyway, lovely tree ferns. Oh, and then there's, is this a spring or something? Is this a little artesian well or something? I don't know. Something dripping over there. So, all right, that's good for this one. Here's another further away shot of the house. It's very, very lovely here. It's also pleasant in the shade because it is June, but it's not that hot in the shade right now. Here's a noteworthy specimen for my fellow palm fanatic geek nerds, and this is Carydoxa elegans. Can't tell what sex it is. It's not flowering, but it's huge and gorgeous, and it certainly deserves recognition in amongst this otherwise sort of generalized walking tour. There had been a large Caryota, maybe no, or gigas, or obtusa, but I think, and since they're haphazanths, they tend to disappear after they've done their thing, and so I don't see it. And I'm assuming I'm going to try to walk a little bit more. But it was a massive Caryota, and it was so glorious. But it's in my archives. It's in the old videos, but I don't see it anywhere. We're sort of descending from where the tower is, back down towards the parking area. But yeah, alas, I see an orango around the corner here. We can catch that. Maybe angler eye, I'm not sure. I don't know. I can't discern them very. Some things I can, but yeah, gosh, I guess that Caryota's gone. That's too bad. Oh, these are these Camellia here? Let's see. Yeah, Japonica. Cool. These things were in their glory last time we were here. I think we were here in the spring or winter, and they were going off. So again, that was from about 5 years ago. But the Caryota had been along this trail somewhere in here. Oh, and for the record, I did contact the horticulturalist, and I may be able to donate some plants to him. But when we were talking on email, I said I would come back out again, and maybe some person on the staff, the faculty, the groundskeeping, maintenance, whomever, or even perhaps the horticulturalist himself will walk around with me and maybe highlight some of the stuff that I walked past here. There's more orango over there, just catching that. And this is zone 9B, so you can't really grow some of the super exotic stuff here. So just seeing orango, this is interesting. Is that a trachea? Oh my gosh, trachea. What's funny is in Florida, trachea are kind of rare as hen's teeth in South Florida. I suspect this is a trachycarpus. So for all my zone bender buddies, it's equally difficult to grow tracheas in certain parts of Florida. The further north you go, the easier it gets, but they're impossible to grow in my part of Florida. I've seen one doing well, but that's rare. Anyway, we'll finish up with this lovely trachycarpus here.